Stop snoring in 3 minutes, starting tonight. Today is a good day. Tonight will be even better. Why? Because you're about to learn easy throat exercises that cure, not just treated, your stubborn snoring, in 3 minutes, starting tonight. Even if straps, sprays and even torturing continuous positive airway pressure masks have failed you in the past. Most people heal their snoring in just a few minutes per day using these powerful throat exercises. And they're so easy, you can do them, regardless of your age or physical shape. Use them anytime, anywhere. Even while stuck in traffic or watching TV. Plus the results are permanent. To learn more and test drive the easy snoring and sleep apnea exercises for yourself, click the link below.